Hi guys. So I know I shop at Waitrose, but I can't afford to shop anywhere else. So went in today. Albert Bartlett, great chips. Yeah, that's 4 servings in that. How much is that? £2.45. Quality chips, not cheap nasty chips. Quality chips. £2.45. Then couldn't help myself. I wanted a cheap steak, egg and chips. This is amazing. £2.66. Where is that on here? For a fillet steak. And then because I had a Waitrose card, I got an extra 20% off that. Awesome. And then while I was there, I had to get this lamb shank. £1.15, 20% off that. What's that? 82, 83p. That'll be going in the fridge, ready for tomorrow. Oh yeah. Big tub, Waitrose tomatoes, £1.50. Can't go wrong. They're actually tasty. They're not just tomatoes for the sake of having tomatoes. So, first things first, I'll use this little mesh thing. It's fantastic. Put a little, already got a tray in the oven to catch anything that falls off. So, don't worry about opening it with anything sharp. Fingers go in there nicely. Dish out about a quarter of the bag. Oh, it's a little bit over, but hey, I'm feeling hungry today. Put the rest in the freezer. Spread them out a little bit. Lovely. Put that to one side. Little dish. Get a handful of these tomatoes. Hand it down the ceiling. That's it. Don't know if I need to or not, but I love this pink salt, so I'll be putting this on everything. That will get them once they're cooked. A little bit of this olive oil. This is ideal for grilling and roasting. Got separate olive oil for your salads and your cold stuff. Simples. Like a bit in there. Drizzle it over. Oh. Find that later. Got in there. Have a wash first. Right. Black pepper grinder. When it works. What happened to that? Battery came out, did it? I think they might need a little bit of a charge on them ones. Hey Smokey, I need to borrow your charger, I think. So, in the oven. Into here. Also, in the oven. And then, that's it. Give this plate a little bit of a rinse. Quick dry. I need a fresh tea towel, don't I? There we go. Got the tomatoes back in the fridge, ready for another day. I'm thinking this meal is going to be about £4, the whole thing. So we've got the eggs. As you all know, I love my Burford Browns. There ain't another egg that comes anywhere near it. Clarence Court, Burford Browns. There ain't no other eggs, unless you got an awesome farm shop right next door to you that does something that actually tastes as good. So you can have a bit of a close up. Here is the receipt, so you can see what I paid for things. feel free to pause and have a look. I also got this, so if I go back in before Friday, I get £4 off if I spend 40 quid. So I guess I'll be buying some Henry Westons and something else by the weekend, as long as I'm feeling a lot better, but that is. I haven't been able to have Henry Westons in like 3 weeks. Is it more than that now? Jesus. So, I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to come back in 10 minutes. That's it. Alright, I've been forced to come back quicker than I needed to. A certain somebody needs feeding. So, away. You hungry, Alfie? Go. Let's give him that. It's his favourite. So it's been 10 minutes. That stuff been in the oven. So I'm going to quickly spin it round. Here we go. Steam out the glasses. I can just about carry these trays. These chips. Get them spun around. Get them whacked in there. Right then. Let's give my hands a quick wash. Lovely stuff, this. Go. Job's a good one. So, here we go. We're going to get that pan, bring that up to heat, turn it on. Probably going to use about 7 on this, but your hob may be different. Let's just go for an 8 to get it there first. Everyone's going to go crazy at this, but I'm just going to put a tad of this because I like the stuff. There we go. So, here comes my fillet. Get a little plate for this. Look at that. £1.80 to 83. Get in my belly. So, load of salt. Don't go shy on that. Load of pepper. Definitely new batteries in that. Also, get the utensil I'm going to use to flip this over all over the place. Get this bag up, this bag. Don't want to be setting that up on the light, do we? Get your tongs, whatever you want to call them. Oh, there's a bit of string there. Get rid of that, don't want to be cooking that up, do we? So that's my dirty hand. Plenty more salt on that, get it right into those crevices. You know you love it. Yeah, battery is definitely needed. Remind me in the comments, recharge my batteries. So you want to get that nice and hot, that over there. I like my steaks medium rare, so I'll be doing about 3.5 minutes each side roughly. So we can tell it's hot when it's hot enough, not quite there yet. So in the meantime, give my hands another little rinse. I'll just touch that meat. Nice. this over here. Feel the heat off that. I'm not used to this cooker, it's not mine. For cooking on gas or induction. Easier to control the heat. So in the background we have a church just behind us, and it looks like they'll be playing their bells non-stop till about 9:30 this evening. So you'll have some interesting background music. Just hope I don't get a copyright strike. So here goes. Perfect heat. What can I say? Get that straight in the dishwasher, out of the way. Not needed, no. There we go. There's the bells. Practice on Tuesday, as you see. What you'll also see me doing is, in between flipping it over, I'm just going to give it some time on the edges, just to make sure it all gets cooked how I like it. If you want it a bit more well done, do it maybe 4.5 minutes each side. Personally, I really wouldn't go past that, or it's a complete waste of a really nice fillet. That's been about 3 minutes so far. You can see that it's starting to cook this side. Well done bit here. And I'm just going to pick it up, hold it on its side, a couple of seconds, flip it around, that side, a few seconds, and then that angle. Place that way up and leave that another 3 minutes. In the meantime, I get some kitchen towel ready, soak up any juices that's left on that. So the steak's still got a minute or so left. Have a quick look at these. Okay, looking at the chips and tomatoes, I think they're good enough. So what I'm going to do, whack that oven off and leave them just to sit there, waiting for when we need them. If any of you got any other tips or any advice for me, feel free to put that in the comments. Always up for learning new tricks. Most of what my cooking is, it's from trial and error and random people I've met on the travels. So let's give these a quick look at it, see how we do it. Nice that side. You know what? Leave it in. Beautiful. Look at that. Sear it the last bit. Look at that. Slightly red in the middle, pink. Perfect. Not red, more pink. So I'll put that there. Wrap it up. Just to get the worst of the juices off. In the meantime, get my 2 eggs. Put one in there. the other one in there. Probably dropped it from too high, but hey, it's all going on one plate and into one belly. Mine. So let's unwrap this steak. Oh, look at that. Almost to perfection. See if we can find these tomatoes. Oh, look at them. See, look at that. Coming out of the oven. Tasty. Let's get a spoon. I'll lose them otherwise. Boom. Sweet. Looking at things, the eggs are looking good. Flip it over. That's that. Take it off the heat. Turn that off. Get the chips out. Pile them on there. Probably you're not going to eat all of this because that's too much chips. I think I'm showing off in the video. Here we go. Crap load of this pink salt. Probably have some more on the table later. Ton of vinegar. Got to have that. And it's also got to be seasoned. No other vinegar comes close. Get me egg. Boom. Let that place to cool down somewhere. Crash bang mellow. Put a bit of extra pepper on them. Batteries, remember, remind me, batteries. So here we go. Roasted tomatoes, fillet steak, nice fries, and 2 perfect browns. Sunny side down. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, a knife. So here we go, don't know how well you can see this, but I'll cut into it. Look at that, nice. I know a lot of people like it more well done, but for me, spot on. In case you want a closer look, here we are. All for around £4. Tell me you can have that good a meal for £4.